Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I want to share with you two gel polishes that I purchased from Rossi Nails, and I do have an affiliate link down below. I'm not sure right now that it's working or not. They had some problems with the codes. People were giving them out onto couponing sites, so you may click the link below and that should work to give you the discount. I'm not 100% sure, and if you want to come back to this later, you can save the link as well. This is, or save this video. This is Rossi's Soak Off Gel Polish. I've never used their gel polish. I have used their dip powder before, and I'll put that up in the upper right hand corner of the screen. I figured before I'm going to recommend the company, I need to test something out that I'm going to wear for a while. And I'm going to try to wear these at least over the weekend. It says 3 weeks of wear. It's a 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounce bottle. You can read their ingredients. 36-month shelf life once you open it. 0 dry time because you put it in the lamp. Odor-free, lightweight. You hashtag Rossi Nails to share your pictures on Instagram. And this is the first brand that I've seen that actually tells you to sanitize your hands first. You always want to do that. Prep your nails. I like that. I'm just not sure about the 120 seconds under UV LED lamp. UV probably, LED I don't think. I'm thinking my usual 30 seconds to 60 seconds will be fine. I always open everything up with the tool, and I ordered a gorgeous pink. I wasn't exactly sure what the two colors were. They do have names. This one is P74 Spice. They have a swatch dot in the lid. I was looking for something like this many years ago. They did something called an American Manicure on my nails, and they used something about this color without the glitter in it, and just clear on my where the white would be for a traditional French manicure. So I'm going to try to replicate that today. That was the only time I've ever had my nails done, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to try to do that with, I guess I'm calling this like a French manicure with a twist. It could be an American manicure. I don't know. I only had my nails done that one time. And this one is called Silver Lining. It's R3804. And it's a clear jelly with the gorgeous glitters. So I'm thinking about doing a French manicure with that. Maybe adding some small blings or whatnots. I'm not 100% sure. So I'm just going to proceed like a French manicure, and just since it's clear, match it up to my own natural smile lines. That's what we call this little spot where your natural nail hangs off the end. I'm just wiping it off with a gel brush. And those that are new to gel polish, you didn't want to base coat your nail. Prep your nails first. Clean them, buff them. Clean them again. Put base coat down, cure it. It's just I do so many videos, I don't like to repeat everything, and my viewers don't want to see me putting base coat down every time I do my nails. I'm going to give these a 5-second cure just because I'm going so slow since I'm talking. I'm liking the 2-layer look, a little bit thicker. Since I'm curing as we go, I'm probably going to be able to get away with that instead of doing 2 coats. So we're trying 2 nails with 2 coats like you're supposed to do. 2 nails with a thicker coat that I tend to do on these jelly-like colors. Let's see which way I like it better. Didn't quite get to my smile line. Just pushing the gel over. I used to just love French manicures. I'm getting back into them. I'm going to give these a cure for 30 seconds. Okay, I went ahead and finished out my thumbs and my other hand. Now I'm going to use Silver Lining. and hopefully it'll give me the look that I'm going for. Just want like a natural look on the ends, but with glitter, because you know, glitter's natural, right? I think I'm going to add a little bit of Sheen Modern on as well. Have some decals that have sitting here cut out that I meant to use a while ago and I've just never used. And my suggestion is, if you use it in a little bit thicker manner over your nail plate, make sure that you do cure it like 5 seconds and then go back and cure it for the 30 seconds total, at least in my nail lamp or whatever your nail lamp requires, because it's just like if you put a lot of top coat on, you can get that heat spike, and I got that. I admit it, I got it. It only lasts for a couple seconds on me. As soon as it's hard or cured, as the technical term is, all the photo enhancers have activated. It goes back, it goes away for me. Some people are very sensitive. It just means it has a lot of photo initiators in there and that I put it on too thick. So I'm gonna give these a cure, finish up my other nails, and then come back and do some Sheen Modern. Okay, I have them all cured. They're still tacky because I haven't put any top coat on them yet. And I had some Sheen Modern decals sitting on the side. These are little foils. All you do is put a drop of water down. You can put it in your between your fingers and rub it apart. But I just prefer to use a stamper. And I lost my makeup sponge. There we go. I like to dry it off on a makeup sponge so you don't get any water or fuzzies in your manicure. You can get these at the link down below, sheenmodern.com. I believe these ones are called Ornaments. I'm not mistaken. I had them cut up sitting here for a while in a little plastic baggie. Now of course I'm using it over glitter, so it's not going to sit as perfect. This is in the color HOLO. Just add a little something extra to my nails. Haven't worn gems in a while due to all this pandemic stuff. I just want to make sure that I keep my nails really clean. I didn't score them either, so I may have to, yeah, this one needs to be scored. If you have a problem with them laying down, you can use the glue gel or the grip gel. The glue gel is stickier and you can't reposition them. The grip gel, you can reposition them. I'm thinking this has just enough techie layer in it that I could do it. They're very delicate. Press it down with my stamper. You can do it with a silicone tool. You can do it with your fingernail. As long as your skin doesn't touch gel. You want it laying down before you top coat. Because once you top coat with gel or regular polish, if it's sticking up, it will be sticking up. And these, I believe, are Decoratives. Just to add a little bit extra. And that one just stuck on beautifully. Okay, I'm gonna just toss on my waste away. Give these a good top coat and a cure, and I'll be right back at the end of the video with pictures, so stay tuned for the reveal pictures. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you, and I'll be me. Bye-bye.